Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and disruptive force in the world today, artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's rapidly reshaping industries and shaking everything from labor to capital, media to code. But how is exactly AI changing the direction of these sectors, and why should we care? Let's take a closer look. First up, let's talk about labor. The rise of AI is transforming the workforce. Automation powered by AI is making tasks more efficient, faster, and cheaper. Robots and algorithms are now capable of performing jobs that used to require human hands, like assembling products or even diagnosing diseases. But here is the twist. While AI is replacing some jobs, it's also creating new ones. Roles like data scientists, AI engineers, and ethicists are in high demand as companies look to implement these new technologies. The shift in labor isn't just about replacing jobs, it's about changing the skill set needed for the future. Now let's move to capital. The money side of things. AI is revolutionizing how investments are made, how financial predictions are generated, and how businesses grow. With the rise of AI-powered algorithms, financial institutions can predict market movements, identify trends faster, and even manage portfolios with little human intervention. AI is making the world of finance more efficient, but it also raises some ethical questions. Who controls these algorithms, and how do we ensure they aren't used to manipulate markets or cause inequality? The power of AI has in the realms of capital is undeniable, but it's essential to have responsible management of these technologies.
Früher hielten Leute, die keine Ahnung hatten, einfach die Fresse, weil sie Angst hatten, aufs Maul zu kriegen. Dann hat jemand Social Media erfunden.
Let's shift gears to media. In today's world, AI has become a force in shaping what we see and consume. From algorithms that curate your social media feed to AI-generated new articles, artificial intelligence is deeply embedded in how we access and perceive information. AI persuasive power is clear here. It influences opinions, spreads news, and even creates content that mimics human interaction. But here's the catch. AI isn't always neutral. It can amplify biases and even be used to manipulate public opinion. In the wrong hands, AI in media could shape political agendas, spread misinformation, or create false realities. And then there is code, which is software development has been one of the fastest growing fields, and now AI is transforming how code is written. Tools like GPT-4 can already assist in writing code, debugging, and even creating entire websites. AI isn't just an assistant in the coding world, it's becoming a partner. AI is undoubtedly a powerful force, a tool that has the potential to drive massive change across industries and society as a whole. It has the capacity to improve efficiency, open up new avenues for creativity, and even solve problems humanity has been struggling with for decades. But with great power comes great responsibility. We are at a crossroads. AI has the potential to be a transformative force, but we need to navigate its rise thoughtfully and ethically. The future of labor, capital, media, and code is in our hands. Will we use AI to build a better world, or will we let it drive us into uncertainty and division? AI isn't just about machines taking over. It's about how we adapt, evolve, and shape this technology for the greater good. The question isn't either whether AI will change the world. It already is. The real question is, how will we use it? What do you think? How is AI shaping the future of your world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content on AI in the future. See you next time.